Alright, welcome back everybody, it's Julian Crypto. Bitcoin is $19,200 and today we'll talk about what will affect the Bitcoin price in the coming week. Also, we'll talk about how much more will interest rates will be raised this year, and will China make Asia independent of the dollar, and Japan warns against hackers. We'll talk also about Bitcoin technical analysis, and remember, nothing here is a financial advice. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. First of all, in coming week we have two important events. First, gross domestic product in China expected 3.5%. All above will be good for Bitcoin, all down will be below will be bad for BTC. And on Thursday we will have interest rate decision in China, and also all above 3.6 and 5% will be bad for Bitcoin. It's different right now, and below will be good for BTC. All right, this is about events. Next piece of news from US. So Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis president left open the possibility that the central bank would raise interest rates by 75 basis points at each of its next two meetings in November and December this year. And the Fed hiked rates already by 75 basis points for the third straight meeting last month. Official projected 125 basis points of tightening for the rest of the year, suggesting 75% in November and 50% in December. A further 25% points of tightening in 2023. All right, let me see in the comments what do you think about it. It's basically a bearish prediction. If the Fed will raise interest rates 75 and then 75, it will not be good for BTC price. For sure, it will be good for US currency index. Next piece of news from China. Amid the ongoing global CBDC adoption, China proposes an Asian-wide digital currency to reduce the continent's economic reliance on the US dollar. And the digital token would be pegged to a basket of 13 currencies, including the yuan, Japanese yen, South Korean won, and those of 10 Asian countries. And the government researchers said a common Asian digital currency would lower the region's reliance on the US dollar and help safeguard financial stability. Tell me in the comments, do you believe that it would happen? Tell me in the comments what do you think about it. And next piece of news from Japan. So Japan, in the public advisory statement sent out on October 14, Japan National Police and Financial Services Agency sent a warning to the country's crypto assets businesses, asking them to stay vigilant of phishing attacks by the hackers. Japan National Police says a North Korean hacking group Lazarus as of organization behind several years of crypto-related cyber attacks. All right, that's all about the crypto news. And here we are. What is President Biden saying about US economy? I'm not concerned about the strength of the dollar. I'm concerned about the rest of the world. Our economy is strong as hell. Listen to this.
I'm concerned about the rest of the world. Does that make sense? Yes, our economy is strong as hell.
All right, so he's saying that US economy is strong as hell. Tell me in the comments, or do you agree with him? And this chart is showing BTC in long term, really nice time to buy according to this analysis. Also, this analysis is suggesting accumulation phase right now at these levels. And here this analysis also is suggesting that really soon we might see really big moves on BTC price, upwards move, of course. And here we are, this analysis suggesting that Nasdaq is already in a long downtrend and BTC is behaving quietly nice according to versus Nasdaq. And this analysis is suggesting that we are in a corner of descending channel and here on the support line. So basically we might go up or down, and probably this analysis suggesting we go down even lower because of 3-day RSI of BTC. And here in this analysis is showing that we are already over the support, the resistance line, long-term resistance line, and here short-term resistance line. This week we will maybe it will be broken, and if yes, it will become a support zone. Also here, rewards of BTC, this is the inflation rate of Bitcoin for the last 13 years. So BTC rewards is decline every 4 years. This is basis Bitcoin mathematics. US dollar equals your money divided by infinity, and Bitcoin equals your money divided by 21 million. Tell me in the comments, do you agree with that? And here this comic is showing that governments may be really worried about BTC, that the things is getting too big. They're saying we need to do something. Who's in charge here? We demand to speak to your boss. And here's CEO's office, and they coming in, and there are even more people. So everybody in the Bitcoin community is CEO. Everybody who owns BTC, basically everybody who owns Bitcoin node is kind of CEO in Bitcoin's community. Alright, tell me in the comments, do you agree with that Bitcoin will become the biggest currency of the world next 100 of years? Tell me in the comments, are you agree with that or not, and why? Alright, and for today that's all. Remember, nothing here was a financial advice. My name is Julian Crypto, and it's great to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.